What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be kind of like a vlog of my trip out here in Minnesota. I'm in Minnesota. I've been here for almost a week now. I'm going to be out here for a total of 2 weeks. I'm out here for work training. I've just been Ubering around back and forth to the training facility, and today I'm finally going to get a car that I'm buying on my own so I can go check out whatever is cool nearby. So I'm going to go to Minneapolis. There's honestly not much cool things in Minneapolis, but I'm just gonna go check it out since I'll probably never come back to this area on my own. So yeah, let's go. I'm walking to Enterprise right now because, like I said, I don't have a car and I don't really want to use the company's money to Uber over there. It's pretty close. So there's a lot of snow. Not much snow on the roads though. It's all like cleaned up and it's melting, so that's good. All right, we just got our rental car and we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A to get some breakfast because I'm a little hungry and I just want to get something quick for today. So let's go. This is the car that I got. I almost forgot the key. Got a coffee, hash browns, biscuit, and then a sausage sandwich thing. I don't know what it's called. Okay, so our first stop for the day is the Sculpture Garden in Minneapolis. So we got the famous cherry on the spoon. This is the only one I really care about. It's the coolest one. Yeah, this one's kind of cool looking. If you peek inside, there's a statue. Don't know what that statue's about, but looks like he's holding a Bible. Okay, we're gonna leave this place and probably go to the Mall of America, go check that out. This place might not have much cool things to do, but you can definitely tell it's an old town, old city, like the buildings look crazy. Okay, we are at our next destination. Instead of going to the mall, we are at this waterfall that's a little bit closer to where we were. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Okay, we're at the bottom of the waterfall. Even though it's frozen, it still looks, well, kind of frozen, it still looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna go up this trail so that way we can go behind it. So I wasn't able to go behind the waterfall because it was actually closed off due to it being a little bit risky because it's icy. The cool thing about this one was that the waterfall was super close to the parking lot. You just had to walk a couple minutes and you were there. So that's awesome. Saves me some time in my day. But yeah, let's head to the Mall of America and maybe we'll buy something. We'll see. Now this is a mall. This is like the only way you can make a freaking mall survive nowadays, I feel like. This is crazy. I feel like I'm at a theme park, but I'm inside of a mall. Because there is a theme park in the damn mall. So I ended up just getting a chapstick from the Mall of America. There wasn't anything that I liked at the stores. I did need a chapstick though because my lips were super chapped. They were bugging me the whole time I was there. So now I'm at Mercado Central, I think that's what it's called. It's a little spot with a whole bunch of Mexican and Latin businesses with options of food that you can eat. So I'm gonna go in there, check it out, and probably get some dinner here. All right, guys, which one should I get? Okay, I'm at Boom Island Park. I think that's what it's called. Look at all these freaking porta potties. Jeez. They sure do take care of the people out here. There's like no one here because it's, I think, second day of spring, so. Yeah, they had a whole bunch of snow right before I got here, but it's going away now. So I'm trying to figure out how to get as close as I can to the lighthouse that's like right there. Turns out you can't get right next to the lighthouse. You can only see it from over here. So this is as close as I get. And what's up with this state, Minnesota, having so many potholes? It's crazy on the roads. Like, the roads are just terrible. So there's their boat launch, which is kind of frozen. And then the river and the lighthouse. Okay, I walked up to the bridge. I'm up on the bridge now. This is a way better shot of this lighthouse. There's my little rental car right there. This place would probably be a little bit more packed if it was the middle of the summer, but wasn't my decision on when I would come out here. So, yep, time to go back to the hotel and just relax till tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go snowboarding. I'm just gonna drive down here because I might miss something. I didn't come all the way down here. Just want to make sure I see everything that I can, but I doubt there is anything else. And we hit a dead end right after I said that. So let's go. All right, this is gonna be pretty windy. Okay, so I am now leaving Powder Ridge. This was actually pretty fun. It was a good way to switch things up and do something different. If I didn't come here, I would have probably just stayed in the hotel room and done nothing all day. So for 40 bucks, they were having a special because it is the last day of their season. So it was 20 bucks for the lift pass and then 20 bucks for the gear, the rental. So it came out to 40 bucks. It was a good deal. It was worth it. Ended up snowboarding for like 5 hours, and yeah, let's go back to town. I'm probably gonna go to Target, get some stuff so I can wash my clothes once, since I think most of my stuff is dirty, and then after that I'm probably gonna get dinner somewhere. So I am at my hotel's pool and hot tub. I'm gonna get in here. It is Tuesday. I didn't show you guys anything from yesterday, but I just ended up going to my training, and yeah, so that's that. I might record a little bit of the training facility tomorrow to show you guys. Okay, so my dinner just got here. I ordered some Famous Dave's barbecue. I'm excited to look at this because it looked really good. It's carry out only or takeout only, but the pictures online look super good. We got some ribs and some brisket, some corn, a muffin, some beans. I also got a side of Famous fries, that's what they call them. French fries or some potato, whatever kind of fries, Famous fries. And then I'm drinking it with an Olipop. If you haven't had this type of soda, you should try it. It's so good. I love that it's very low sugar, only 2 grams. All right, I'm gonna give it a go and see how good it is. Okay, so this is Park Industries in Minnesota. This is where I had my training, where I learned how to program countertops on the computer using Alphacam. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Let's talk about the video in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you're not already. The last clip is some Raising Cane's. I had never been there, but I went there for the first time and it was delicious.